Sticky notes can be much more than simple reminders. When you organize them the right way, they become a powerful productivity tool for work, school, and everyday life. In this guide, I'll show you practical ways to stay organized using sticky notes. Start by creating separate notes for different areas of your life. Keep one note for daily tasks, another for work projects, one for personal reminders, and another for shopping lists. Keeping information separated makes everything easier to find. Assign a different color to each category. Yeah, you might use yellow for personal reminders, blue for work, green for finances, and pink for important deadlines. A consistent color system lets you recognize information at a glance. Avoid writing long paragraphs, so instead, use short bullet points, checklists, or brief reminders. Simple notes are faster to read and easier to manage throughout the day. Move related notes close together and position your most important notes where you'll see them first. If you have many notes, use the notes list to quickly switch between them instead of leaving every note open. Take a few minutes every week to review your notes. Delete completed reminders, update ongoing tasks, and archive information you no longer need. Regular maintenance keeps sticky notes useful instead of cluttered. And that's how to stay organized with sticky notes. With a simple system of categories, colors, short notes, and regular reviews, you'll spend less time searching for information and more time getting things done. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.